Hi there everyone. Today I'll teach you how to paint a nice beautiful tree with the help of a toothbrush. So take a toothbrush, take some nice dark green paint towards the bottom of the toothbrush, some light green paint towards the middle, and some yellow paint towards the top of the toothbrush. You can use buds or toothpick to put the paint in the toothbrush in this manner. Now what you need to do is just press the toothbrush firmly against the paper in this way. Just press. You can use more paint as it gets dry. Now take some more yellow paint in the tip and continue. Some more yellow paint. Okay, now to draw the tree's trunk, what you need to do is take some brown paint in the index finger like this. Okay, and just draw kind of straight line. Doesn't need to be just straight, almost a straight line with the help of your fingers. Make the edges a bit like this. That's it. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Bye.